Everyone, today we are going to see an answer to this question, that why is the sky blue in the morning and it is reddish orange during sunrise or sunset, through an interesting experiment. So here, imagine this as a earth surface, and I'm positioning it as north, west and east. We all know sun rises or sunsets in both these directions. Sunrise in the east, and as sun moves it in the north after 12 p.m. it comes to the north position, right? And we all know earth as an atmosphere which is made up of different particles. We have oxygen, nitrogen, all different gases, and every different dust particle is also present. So when the sun is in the east or in the west position, we call that position exactly as horizon. And imagine that earth is with an atmosphere. To explain the original cause, I'm taking a glass, a bottle with water and milk. So I'm filling this glass particle with water and consider my torch as the sun. Or as I'm placing it, there is no light in the water. In the water you can't see any beam of light passing through it, right? Only at the base you can see. So now what I'm doing, I'm adding some milk to it, some few drops of milk, and I'm mixing it well. And after that you can see, when I pass the same torch, the whole of the glass glows, right? Whole of the glass glows. You can see the light inside the water also, which was not in the first case, right? Yeah. So this phenomena which happens in the earth is called as scattering of light. That is the reason we can see light from the earth. So to answer our main question, that why our sky is blue and during sunrise and sunset it is orange, I am taking a glass and filling it again with water to the brim. And I am taking some few more drops of milk. So imagine the water plus milk, this solution, as the earth's atmosphere, because we all know our earth atmosphere is full of particles. So when sunlight passes, what happens? It scatters the light. That is the reason we can see light. So now what happens when I pass light from the top, that is, imagine if it is 12 p.m. and sun is on the top, you can see blue light, right? And some yellow light at the bottom. So what is the first light which is in the top? That is blue. I wanted to show it in the horizon position, that is from west or the east side, but in the glass it didn't came well. In the camera I couldn't record it properly, but when you try it at home with your parents' help, you can actually see it. So what I did is, instead of taking it in glass, I took a transparent beaker like thing and I added some few drops of milk again, so that the change is clearly visible to you. Now this is our earth's atmosphere. Fine. So now I'm taking this as a primary thing, our instrument, our experiment tool, and then I'm showing the torch from this side. So as you can see, when there is a light in the horizon position in the side, the first light was blue, and as light passes, as it reaches the earth, that is this side, it is dark, it is yellowish orange in color. So I'm tilting my camera, you can see it well. Look at this side, it is yellowish color. To show you all the gradient, what I did was I tilted the camera at the top position, keeping my torch on the horizon, so that you can see the light gradient. So from the top you can observe that at the initial it is blue in color, and as light is reaching earth, it is yellowish in orange. So this is our experiment, a glass with water I consider it as earth, atmosphere, mobile torch as sun. So as my torch was in the horizon, in the side, the color which reaches the earth was orange. So that is the reason when it is sunrise or sunset, it is yellowish orange in color. And in the glass, when the torch was at the top position, so the main color was blue. So that is the reason during the noon time, as sun moves from east to the top, that is the north position, the main color which we observe is blue. So we have learned what is scattering of light and the main reason behind the color change in the atmosphere.